Alright, let me get the flash up here. I wanted to try something else while we were out here with this little solar panel. You guys can see this, right? Just a little solar panel. It's probably off of Amazon. So let's see if it'll charge the flashlight. Now certain devices, like this one here, we would have to take this little rubber ring off of here because this flashlight may not clear. We may not be able to get it in there to test it. So I can't actually get it in there. Doesn't want. Oh, actually, look. I do believe it is charging. Because I unplugged it. Okay, so now let's go ahead and put that little decorative ring back on here, I guess. Let's see if it'll charge the radio. Yep. Cool. But this will not charge your phone though. So I tried to charge my S23 Samsung, it wouldn't charge it. We could try a different phone. Alright, I found the perfect test, guys. This is... Oh, that's right, it doesn't charge via USB. Damn it. Okay. I was like, oh, you could charge that thing. Yeah. It won't. It shows it's 100%, so it's not going to charge. But I thought maybe it might be able to charge the Zygo. I'm like, wait a minute, nope. Alright, we got this little guy here. Actually not that small. Let's see if it'll charge it. And it woke it up. Of course, this is at 100%. I imagine it would take a really long time to charge this battery. This thing's got pretty good sized battery. This is a project I'm gonna have to open up. These little rubber plugs. Because it uses some weird proprietary connector here that nobody else makes. So we need to try and just change it to something else. So this is one of these ones. I'm gonna open it up, change it. But it looks like this will charge a few different things, just certain phones. Probably it doesn't have the right communication protocol or something. This thing looks to be dead. No, okay. So anyway, it's about enough for me, guys. It's freaking hot out here. Probably about 90. It's towards the end of the day.